Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some products that I bought for my doggy. And we have an unboxing from a new company that we are making a collaboration together. Yay! I'm so excited about it because I don't have an idea what kind of products they sent us for my girl. All information, guys, don't worry about all products below in my info box, okay? So let's get started with the video. The first product are hair hooks for my girl, but they are for real babies, not for pets. Came 5 beautiful hair hooks and they have a psychedelic touch and I love it. This is the first one and we have a cute heart. If you see, you only press the pin with your fingers and you can open and close very easy. So let's try this beautiful hair hook on my girl. Oh, she looks so cute. I love it. The second one is a golden horse. Oh my gosh. It's very flexible, cute, and have these things like a detail. Here we have another heart, but it's white with golden details. We have another horse, but it's pink. So cute, I love it. And the last one, another silver heart. The second products are bandanas, yes, but it's for real babies. Can you believe the price? Tell me how much you pay for real dogs bandanas. Expensive price, right? Well, that's why I prefer to buy this kind of bandanas for my girl. In the back side, we have this button, easy to use and safe. The fabric is very soft and I just love it when I saw it in the store and I say I have to buy it for my girl. The second bandana is this, white with cute rainbows. The same button, easy to use and safe. And now let's try on my girl. Look at her. She's not so cute with the bandana. Well, now I want to show you some care products. The first one is a cologne for my girl. This cologne smells so good. It's a cotton powder. Guys, I never use these colognes in my baby, but I like to use on her clothes, blankets, towels, or bandanas. So in this way, all accessories smell all time so good. And this is a ear cleaner and this brand is amazing. I like it because they have products for humans and pets. It's not wonderful because it's 99.7% natural. This product is safe, effective, and natural. Keep your dog's pH balance, no sulfates, no fragrance, no colorants, cruelty-free, and no parabens. For all of these things, this product is perfect to use with my girl. You know guys, I prefer use only natural products with hair. And when you open the bottle, you cannot smell because it's free fragrance. So I will record a video, don't worry, how I clean to my dog's ear, okay? Stay tuned and subscribe, please. Okay, we have scissors. Yes, I bought a couple of them, but not for the full groom because yes, her groomer comes to our house to do the full service for my girl. But just in case I need to cut some hairs, so I prefer keep this in my life. The scissors are small and have a round ends to keep safe your dog's skin, in this case paws and face. Guys, I was using these scissors in her paws, hair and eyes area. And these scissors are for thinning shears, more bigger than the other one, have this side the same as an usual scissor, and the other side have these little sharp teeth to thin the hair. I already use it because Candy has a spot in her coat, the back, close to the tail. And it's about the sun or water, I don't know, but the spot appears and disappears, especially in summer. I think it's about the sun. So with these scissors, I can cut the ends of the damaged hair. I love it. And the last thing that I bought for my dog is a dog teeth cleaner. It's a special tool for the dental pet for professional use only. Used to get rid of the harmful accumulation of tartar between the teeth of the pet. Help you pay more attention to your dog's health. This tool is in matte design and handle provides anti-slip grip. Just use it, wash and dry after each use, and it's easy to store. And guys, we are making a collaboration with the brand the Bodhidog. All the information about them below in the info box, okay? Guys, we received this package from this company and we are so excited to open it because I told you guys I don't have idea what they sent to my dog. So I'm gonna open the box. Da-da-da-da. And wow. Okay guys, we received 2 products. Thank you so much, Bodydogs. This Balm is certificate organic and I like it because I really wanted one of this in my life. I mean, in my dog's life. The other product is a Detangling spray made with aloe vera and jojoba oil. These products remove mats, tangles, loose hair and undercoat. The smell is fresh apple. The bottle came in with this thing. I don't know what is the name in English, I'm sorry, but it helps to use this product very well on our doggy coat. And I'm very curious and I want to smell the fresh apple. It smells so good. Thank you. Okay. Candy wants to smell too. What do you think, guys? She likes or not? Okay, let's open the Balm and smell too. This balm doesn't smell like anything, not good, not bad. This is oily, but not too much, so I like it. Soon guys, I will make a video using these products, okay? Subscribe and stay tuned. Well friends, it's time to say goodbye. Thanks to be here. If you are new, please subscribe. And if you like this video, press the like button and follow us on my social media. Bye bye.